AC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, if you love today's weather, you're going to love it tomorrow as well. Wish we could get this type of weather right in the smack of the weekend, but guess what? This weekend, more clouds, higher humidity, chance of some rain, but I don't think the weekend's going to be a washout, and we're not looking at a severe weather threat nor a heavy rain threat, and that's the good news. So let's take a look outside. First off, Amos Sterling getting our weather shot. Nice breeze out there today, and the flora fauna doing just righteously, thank you, with all the rain of late. Now got some sun, so things are growing. And also at night, you can really smell all the sweetness from the ligustrum to other stuff out there in the evening. I noticed that the other night as well. So let's kick it upstairs, take a look at the water vapor imagery, and we are in pretty much a sweet spot right now. A little bit of a dry air track that goes through Louisiana. It changes, though, over towards southeast Texas, and then going back through the Pacific, and got this weak upper level low that's sparking off some clouds and a few showers associated with that remnant frontal boundary out in the Gulf. But this is going to be the next big weather maker. It's going to be a severe weather maker for the Plains States starting Friday and continuing through the weekend. But all that severe weather is going to stay north and west of us. The heavy rain track is going to stay north or west of us. So we're in pretty good shape, even though we will see an increased chance of storms with part of that system come Sunday. Near term, again, you can see clouds and showers and storms well offshore beyond radar range. There's some strong storms out here in the central to central south part of the Gulf of Mexico. Few showers popping up across southeast Texas. A little bit of a sea breeze here from about the Wharton area down through Victoria and just north of Corpus Christi, but that's where that shower activity will stay. Mostly easterly to northeasterly winds, keeping the humidity down, and temperatures quite comfortable, starting out in the upper 50s to lower 60s as promised. Topped out at 86 this afternoon in Lafayette. Still mid-80s this afternoon. The Abbeville reading should change shortly. That changes over at about 6:30, but quite warm across the area, but at least the humidity is comfortable thanks to that ridge of high pressure that's sitting right nearly overhead or just to the east of us, and that's going to continue to allow easterly winds for tomorrow. So pretty nice day. Maybe a little bit more of a southeast wind towards southwest Louisiana as we go into the latter part of the afternoon, and with that high nearby, still a relatively dry forecast and a mostly sunny one for Thursday. Temperatures getting into the 80s. Very slight increase in humidity on the way, and then as we head into Friday, we'll notice a bigger draw coming in from the Gulf of Mexico, so the humidity certainly is going to be on the increase. Maybe a shower as we head into Saturday. All the nasty weather staying to our north and west. Big storm, severe weather, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, then even up to Nebraska Friday into Saturday, and that continues as we head into Sunday. But notice the greatest risk of severe weather will be off to the north of us. Maybe a strong to severe storm in the northwestern central part of the state, but locally we're just going to go with rain chances at about 50% for Acadiana. Monday, maybe a few lingering showers, but what we'll notice most importantly, it stays breezy. We keep southerly winds, maybe a few showers come next Wednesday, but that front fizzles out. And the bottom line, we don't see a front anytime soon, and they may be done with for the rest of the spring and into the summer. So a warm scenario going into next week. Temperatures, though, tonight enjoyed upper 50s to near 60. Northern parishes will favor lower 60s I-10 corridor with 63 in Lafayette, pretty much the same along the coast. And then after that pleasant start, temperatures getting well back into the mid-80s tomorrow. Tomorrow night, not quite as pleasant, but still not bad. Mid-60s, lower 60s to the north, and well into the 80s again for your Thursday with lots of sunshine in the mix. So another nice night ahead. Clear skies, seasonably cool temperatures, 63 the low. It's been feeling very pleasant during the evenings and staying on a roll for tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, comfortable humidity. We'll go 86 for the projected high. Very light winds tomorrow, so it's going to feel pretty warm. And temperatures gradually creeping up as we head into the weekend, and so will Mr. Humidity coming in certainly for the weekend. Slight chance of a passing shower Saturday, but going into Sunday, a better chance of scattered showers and storms, but that number is a little bit lower than the 60% we had yesterday, so Sunday does not look like a washout. Few showers going into next week, but temperatures approaching 90 and overnight lows getting stuck in the mid-70s. That's almost screaming June weather right there.
All righty. Thank you, Rob.